Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox One controller to your Xbox. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So are you having problems syncing or connecting your Xbox One controller to the Xbox One itself? Well, I have a very easy solution that goes a step further than most other videos that will help you out connecting your Xbox One controller really easy. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you to do is to hard reset your Xbox One. So make sure your controller is off by holding down the Xbox button on it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and that will shut off your controller. Otherwise, just take out the batteries on the back side here while we do the step. So now locate the Xbox button on the Xbox itself and hold this down. And hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds until the fans on the Xbox completely power down. So the light is off, the fan is turned off, and it is powered down. So now take your Xbox and flip it around and take out the power cord on the back of it. And what we're doing is completely hard resetting the Xbox, and we're going to drain the electricity out of it. So this is a little bit difficult to pull out. So grab a hold of the Xbox firmly and wait about 30 seconds until you plug this back in. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and re-plug it back in right away. So plug your Xbox cable right in the back there. Flip it around. Now, let's turn on the Xbox button itself. And you can go ahead and try to sync it up now since we reset the Xbox. But I'm going to be using this USB cable right here, this USB to micro USB cable. And this will help me connect the controller instantaneously so we don't have to wait for it to sync up. And this is a lot better than doing the wireless method because this is guaranteed to make sure there is a connection between the console and the controller. So just plug it in to the front USB, then connect the micro USB in to the front of the controller right here. And I felt a rumble, and look, didn't do anything, and it's already connecting itself. And if your controller is low on battery, maybe that's one of the reasons it wasn't syncing up or connecting to the console. So this is very easy to do. Hard reset your Xbox, connect a cable, and you'll be good to go. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.